That's a nice card. I'm just trying to give you an example of just how many cards I have here to go through. Just and the quality of the cards is just crazy. I'm just randomly pulling now. Holy. I just randomly pulled out a rookie auto from this guy in 2007. Wow. Wow. Wow, 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 wow. Holy shit. I'm getting to the really good cards now. What is this? What the... Wait a minute. Wow. I'm honestly I didn't have that card yet, I don't think. So wait a minute, there's something. Wow. This is crazy. Every handful, something crazy comes up. Like a treasure hunt. It really is. It's like a treasure hunt. It's just the amount of crazy cards that are coming out are just crazy. There's probably some really good ones buried in this pile and I don't even know it yet. This is just... There's another one of those. Man, I don't know what's going on, but my dogs are barking and I keep hearing like a vehicle. There's a whole nother pile of those damn Dave Clark cards. I swear they had like 1,000 of them. They just decided to dump them in the box with the rest of them. But they did. It is a pretty decent collection. I mean, as far as just the quality of the cards go, like, I'm finding a ton of really good cards. I'm impressed, honestly, with the quality of the cards I'm pulling out of here. I think I'm doing better this time than I did in that last one, so I might just stick with buying from this platform as far as my card collection goes. Yeah. The stock on that card is really thick for an older card for some reason. Most of the older cards are really thin, but that one was not.